Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby clearance haul to share with you. Let me show you all the cute clearance items I picked up. My Hobby Lobby stores have their stickers on sale. Look at this. They have a good selection, so take a look when you go visit your Hobby Lobby. I picked up 4 of these. They're harvest stickers. You have the cornucopia, you have corn on the cob, and you have the autumn leaves there. So these were 62 cents each. Can you believe? And you get 2 sheets of this. I like these stickers because it's clear. So when you put it on your project, all you get is the cute image showing. I like these. So the regular price was $2.49. I picked up 4 of those. And then I also picked up, I thought I picked up 4, but it looks like I only got 3 of these stickers here. These are like the corner stickers, and I paid 74 cents for these, and regular price is $2.99. I like corner stickers. And then you do get just the 1 sheet. Look at that in silver. You see how it messes with my camera? You also get like a washi strip. See? Nice, right? And I love all these corner stickers. I will put those to use. I like those. I'm happy I got those. And then I picked up this one. These are flowers, 3D flowers, and you get 5 flowers. And I paid 87 cents for this. Regular price was $3.49, and they only had 1 left, so I picked this one up. I love my flowers. I also picked up this one. This is the families and memory stickers. I like this one because these little images here, right? I like those. They kind of look like, like resin. Well, that's what I thought. Anyways, they're like puffy stickers, I think. Yeah, they're puffy stickers. But I like it. See how it's got that nice watery feel on there, like resin. I like them. And they're clear, so when you put it on your project, you don't have to worry about any white spots at all. So I paid $1.24 for this one, and regular price was $4.99. And they only had 1 left, so this came home with me. The last items I picked up are these. These are the military sticker packs, and I picked up 2. I paid $1.49 for each one, and regular price was $5.99. Let me see, I opened one. Here we go. I was thinking that I might finally finish my my scrapbook. Years later, I'm still working on my scrapbook. But look at this. You get all the military words. I like the dog tag because see how it's shiny it is. You can see that? Nice, right? I like it. And there's that one. I know there's shiny stuff on here that's gonna mess with my light, but hopefully you can catch everything in here. Oh look, I didn't see this one. You got the tracks there. Constantine wire, planes. Yeah, you do a lot of travel when you're in the military, right? Look at this one. And then there's more dog tags here. I'm happy I got those dog tags. And then you have the alphabets. It's got the camouflage backing with the shiny letters. And it looks like all lowercase. Yeah, it's all lowercase. I'm happy I got this one. You get 8 sheets and you get 182 stickers altogether. And phrases, words, and icons. Well, as you can see, I did not go all out and bought everything that they had. It is tempting, isn't it? I did pick up only what I knew I needed right then and there. I may go back and take a second look the next couple of days to see what's left over and then choose from that pile one more time. Now, they only had the stickers on sale. I am thinking that maybe later on in the week they'll mark down like the washies and maybe the paper flowers that will go on sale also. I'm hoping anyways. I did take some pictures and I will add that for you so you can take a look at all the stickers that I found that are on clearance. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.